Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Kenton'S Kitchen. This is your chef who believes that when you combine good flavors, you come up with an extra. Today we're going to do a frittata, a plantain frittata. But instead of using some plantains, I'm going to improvise and use some fried bananas. So stay tuned till the end. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post. So now let's do this. We're going to use 5 eggs, our fried bananas, or rather our fried plantains. We have some chopped smokies and sausages. We have our sliced tomatoes, our chopped carrots, our grated garlic. We have our fresh chopped coriander, our chopped capsicum, and some diced onion. So let's get into the cooking now. Also some spices. I'm going to use Spanish paprika, some grams masala, some turmeric. So on our pan, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, then add our diced onions. Yeah, we're going to fry these till they become translucent. Our onions turn translucent, we're going to add our grated garlic. Then now continue cooking till your onions turn golden brown. Start to turn golden brown, we're going to add our sliced sausages, or rather our smokies. At this point, we're going to add our sliced tomatoes, half of our chopped carrots, then our chopped capsicum. Point, I'm going to add my spices. I'm going to add half tablespoon of turmeric, half tablespoon of Spanish paprika, just for some flavor, then half tablespoon of grams masala. Since our smokies and our tomatoes are nicely cooked, so I'm just going to turn off the cooker and now go to the next part. We're going to break our 5 eggs into a bowl. Whisk. Add a pinch of salt. Our fried sausages into the egg solution. Then whisk this. To add our fresh chopped coriander. Then mix well. So in our pan, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So now we're going to add our mixture to the pan. Reduce your heat to the lowest. So now to add our fried bananas, I'm going to add them as toppings. I want to arrange them nicely. for some few minutes. Yeah, now we're going to try to turn our. So after I turned, I kind of left this to cook for a longer time, so it kind of burned on the lower side, but not to worry. Yeah, so you don't want to cook it for so long so that you avoid the burning. So after I turn the other side, this is how it looks like. It looks so good. The smell is so nice. Yeah, so it's time to turn off our cooker and let it just